Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you, ladies. Now, I'm afraid I can't take the credit for this stunning display of haute couture. I'm not a fashion designer, and in fact, these and everything you see around you here today, including these stunning outfits, it's all paper and all thanks to Highcon technology. So, ladies, thank you. Now, I'm delighted that you're able to join us here today, as it's arguably the most important day of our company's history. And we go back a long, long way. All the way back to 2009. All right, yeah, look, a day is a very long time in high tech, but seriously, I'm here to show you how with Highcon technology, you can unleash the power of paper. Here at drupa 16, we're launching a new solution which will transform a 150-year-old industry. Yes, I'm talking about revolutionizing the finishing process and taking your business to new heights. All right, we're making some very big claims here, and by now you're probably wondering, who are we? Well, Highcon introduced the world to digital creasing and cutting. Yes, both processes, digitally, separately, but on one machine. Now, the creasing is done with our patented technology, writing the creasing direct from a file on the machine. And then the cutting is done with high precision lasers and advanced optics. And what you're seeing here is proven technology. We have customers all over the world, and they're all using our technology to help grow their business. So I want you to hear from them, because these guys have first-hand experience.
Highcon digital technology brings Maison like by DLW much more creativity, rapidity, high value. It permits to our customer to create unbelievable packaging which were impossible before, like this one, for example.
Now this is what I call shelf appeal. But don't get me wrong, Highcon is also about the kind of stuff you do every day. Simple things, like this.
We have hundreds of short runs, and thanks to Highcon's digital technology, short runs are not only possible, they're also profitable. Our customers enjoy the benefits of last-minute changes, and preparation that used to take weeks now takes minutes.
We at Pringraph are always focused to add value to our customers' products. Highcon technology just allows that, to make things that we can't imagine before. It's amazing. In this way, we are able to supply to our customers a product that helps them to sell more.
And obviously, if your customers are selling more, that means you sell more.
We at Botwell Owens have added a Highcon Euclid. That is helping us tremendously in short-run packaging. Quick turnaround to our customers by cutting sheets both off of our digital presses and our offset conventional presses. So everything's quick, fast, and exactly what they're looking for when they need it.
Thanks, guys. Couldn't have said that better myself. And now, lights, music, action. We're taking the same technology these customers are using and making a huge leap forward, bringing all of these capabilities into mainstream production. Now, I'm proud to have been chosen to introduce the next generation of Highcon solutions. It's big, it's fast, and if I do say so myself, it's beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, we proudly present the Highcon Beam. Now, I like to think it's called the Beam because it's shining a light into a 150-year-old industry and showing it the future. But actually, it's called the Beam because of its sheer speed. The Highcon Beam is all about productivity, with speeds of up to 5,000 B1 sheets an hour. And for those of you that are imaginatively challenged, like myself, This is what 5,000 sheets actually looks like. Now, substrates, you can run anything from 120 microns to 2 millimeters. Applications, you can do anything from paper to label, folding carton to corrugated. And if we're talking efficiency, you can move existing jobs to digital while being more cost effective and freeing up existing equipment. But then again, why listen to me? I want you to meet Brian. He was one of the first customers of the Euclid, Highcon's first machine. And when he saw the beam, he didn't hesitate. That right, Brian?
The beam is a real game changer for us. Having the Euclid helped us win back customers we'd lost because we could now offer them new capabilities I just couldn't do with my analog machine. That said, I could only do short runs. Now, with the beam, I can enjoy the benefits of digitally finishing even for long runs. We actually have bought another company that will take us into larger volume production, and the beam is already here to carry the load.
Thanks, Brian. Now, one thing Brian didn't mention to you is storage. From now on, all of his cutting forms are stored on one of these. Now, the beam is an amazing machine based on truly revolutionary technology, wouldn't you agree? And we're using the same technology throughout our entire portfolio to bring you a solution for every need. For those of you wanting more flexibility and creativity, we introduced the Highcon Euclid 3 digital creasing and cutting machine. This opens doors to creative opportunities in our industry's favorite format, B1. Your customers will love it, and their designers even more. We give you fully variable data cutting capabilities so you can cut a different design onto each sheet. So imagine that. Personalization, versioning, and brand protection all done in the finishing process. And on top of that, we give you 3D modeling capabilities so you can go home and create things. Like this little guy. He's got to be one of my favorites. I love this guy. He's gorgeous. He's beautiful. And madam, this little guy needs a home. So could I give him to you? But you have to promise to look after him. Take care of him. You're very welcome. Now, this little guy is just the beginning. Highcon has developed a capability to slice any standard 3D model into layers and build products out of paper. Now, this opens a huge market for our industry and bridges the gap between 2D and 3D printing using the element that you thought you knew only too well, paper. But now wait, because some of you aren't using B1, right? Well, for those of you, we introduced the Highcon Pulse. This brings our digital creasing and cutting capabilities into the B2 format, which is perfect for commercial printing, whether digital or not. Now, the Pulse may have a smaller footprint, but it can still churn out up to 2,000 B2 sheets an hour. So I want you to meet Iran, who can't wait to get his Pulse up and running.
I run a printing company with a strong focus on marketing and unique products, which most of them are printing digitally. I was looking for a finishing solution to complete our workflow to fully digital. Highcon has developed a machine that suits our needs perfectly. The Highcon Pulse will enable us to keep innovating and offer our customers some great new products.
Thanks, Iran. Now, we've got some great customers, right? But we've also got some great partners, and they can all see the value of combining our capabilities with theirs. Now guys, this launch isn't just about machines. We're also bringing you some great new solutions to help you generate more business. And that is just what the Highcon Axis is for. It's like any other web-to-print platform, except this is web-to-pack, designed especially for packaging and folded applications. Now, there are so many opportunities. Just look around you. Paper is such an amazing material. You just need the right technology to unleash its power. And there's a great example of that here in the Messe today. Did you see this when you came in? It's amazing, isn't it? And it's all thanks to Highcon technology. Now, at first, paper artists said that couldn't be done. It was too much work, too much time, and too much cost. But then they discovered Highcon, and the rest, as they say, is history. But guys, this is the real story here. This is Highcon. You have a technology here which matches the quality of your analog machines, but with quick setup, more versatility, and better margins, shorter runs, faster turnarounds, and customized products. It's already here. With Highcon technology, the challenges of today are your opportunities to grow. And the challenges of tomorrow? Don't worry, you're going to be ready for them too. So now please, walk around, talk to our team, and learn more about our fantastic technology. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining us at drupa 2016. Thank you.